thank you for your purchase of Dash Power Ranger Scooty. This beautiful Scooty comes with rear wheel brake for safety of your kid. Please follow this instruction video carefully to assemble the product and know its amazing features. This exciting product is assembled by using these parts. You also need a screwdriver with regular and star shape. Start the assembly by attaching the center flute rod above the front wheel assembly. Then, slide the steering rod on top of the center axle and adjust the height up to 3 levels as required by pressing and sliding the metal spring button. Now, tighten the steering rod joints by using the available heavy-duty metal knobs. And for finishing touch, place the beautiful sipper bottle at flute bar basket. The Power Ranger Scooty is now ready for ride. Dash Ride, Kids Pride.